be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Gusto Payroll account. So before that, let me tell you guys what Gusto Payroll is in short. So basically, Gusto is a full service payroll, HR and benefit, and HR platform servicing over 100,000 small businesses nationwide. Gusto provides solution for employee benefit plan in over 38 states. Gusto is also a complete cloud-based platform that offers software integration with platforms like Xero and QuickBooks. So this might confuse you guys, but in a short form, Gusto helps you guys to manage your human resource in your company. All right. In short form, you can understand in that way. All right. So let me show you guys how you guys can log in into its account. But Gusto Payroll login. After you search for it, click on Gusto Login Payroll Benefit HR. It'll take you to the official website of Gusto. Over here, you can enter your email address, whichever email you used when you created your Gusto account. And where it says password, enter the password of your account over here as well. And if you tick mark remember this device, then every single time when you come to Gusto, you don't have to enter your login detail. You'll automatically be logged in into your Gusto account. Alright. If you want to do that, tick mark this, click on sign in. And if the email and password you entered over here is correct, you should be able to log in into your Gusto Payroll account. And if you created your Gusto Payroll account using Google, Xero, or Intuit, you want to click on any three of these options, alright? After clicking on it, it's going to ask you to log in into your Google account. If you chose Xero, it's going to ask you to log in into your Xero account. For Intuit, it's going to ask you to log in into your Intuit account. After you log in into it, basically the account which is linked with that, like Google, Xero, and Intuit, will open up, alright? So that's how you guys can log in into Gusto if you created your account using these three features. And if you don't have an account, you can click on don't have an employee account in order to create yourself an employee account as well. And if you want to sign your company into Gusto in order to manage your human resource of your company, you want to click on want to sign your company up with Gusto, and your company should be registered with Gusto after you fill up their form, alright?